Our project is about delivering basic resources and utilities to rural communities to provide them with the resources that they need to leverage and operate and establish robust value-added businesses, as well as improving their quality of lives and empowering rural livelihoods. We do that through the KUDURA system, which is a solar photovoltaic mini-grid that we integrate several green utilities into a single containerized system that people can pay through mobile money on a pay-as-you-go platform. Our aspiration is to become the world's largest socially inclusive utility. So when we go into a community, we look to connect every single household in that community, not just those with the affordability to pay. And in doing so, we hope to provide the entire world with what we call universal basic utility access. The idea that every human being on this planet is a global citizen and has a right to the basic resources of affordable, clean energy, clean drinking water, and safe, efficient cooking fuels.